Hi, Penny Tromblay here. While helping people learn to play nice in the sandbox at work and fixing broken relationships when they don't, I've polished up some skills and technology for my toolbox. With people in home offices and telecommuting becoming a new future, I'm using our virtual studio to deliver high-tech, high-touch workshop services and edutainment. It's effective and reliable because my producer manages all of the technical difficulties. Right, Kyle?
Yep.
Connection, conflict resolution, communication, and collaboration are closer than you think, and your team can co-create one massive, productive, and profitable castle. For decades, I've helped teams with interactive and fun programs, and we have the virtual strategy for your keynotes, workshops, conflict resolution, team planning, and group coaching. Your events and meetings don't have to wait. The world needs strong leaders now, so call me, Penny Tromblay, because the high cost of conflict is avoidable, and profits can be used for better things.